Hey everyone, Xiaomi has unveiled the Xiaomi 17, a compact flagship that aims to push the boundaries of small form-factor smartphones without compromising on power or endurance. Building on the success of last year's Xiaomi 15, the new model makes improvements across nearly every category, offering a refined design, more powerful hardware, and a massive upgrade in battery life. At first glance, the Xiaomi 17 impresses with its dimensions. Measuring 151.1 by 71.8 by 8.06 millimeters and weighing 191 grams, it is slightly smaller than the Xiaomi 15, making it one of the most compact flagships on the market. Despite its reduced size, Xiaomi has managed to fit an enormous 7,000 mAh battery inside the device, a huge leap from the 5,400 mAh unit in its predecessor. This not only enhances longevity, but also sets a new standard for battery performance in compact smartphones. To complement this, the Xiaomi 17 supports both 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging, ensuring that recharging such a large battery is still fast and convenient. The display continues to be a centerpiece of the experience. The Xiaomi 17 features a 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a resolution of 2,656 by 1,220 pixels, a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and a peak brightness of 3,500 nits. The combination of LTPO technology and high brightness makes the phone well-suited for both fluid animations and visibility in harsh lighting conditions, delivering flagship-level visuals in a smaller package. Performance is driven by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, making the Xiaomi 17 one of the first compact devices to leverage this cutting-edge chipset. Paired with up to 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage, the phone is built for demanding users who expect smooth multitasking and top-tier gaming performance. Out of the box, the device runs HyperOS 3, Xiaomi's latest mobile operating system, which debuted earlier this year on the Xiaomi 15T series. Photography remains another highlight. The Xiaomi 17 is equipped with a quad camera system that emphasizes versatility. At its core is a 50 megapixels Light Hunter 950 primary sensor with f1.67 aperture and optical image stabilization. This is complemented by a 50 megapixels telephoto camera with a 60 millimeters equivalent focal length, another 50 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens offering a 102-degree field of view, and a 50 megapixels front-facing camera with a 90-degree field of view. In terms of pricing, the Xiaomi 17 starts at about $632 for the base model with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. The phone comes in 4 color options, catering to different style preferences. For now, the Xiaomi 17 is only available in China, and Xiaomi has not yet announced global release plans. Still, the combination of a massive battery, compact design, high-end performance, and versatile cameras makes it one of the most compelling small flagships of 2025. It sets a new benchmark for how much power and endurance can be packed into a device that remains comfortable to hold and use one-handed. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.